While fashion can be a tricky realm with endless complex possibilities, sometimes the simplest look can catch the most attention. In today's world, everyone is obsessed with having complex and flashy appearances in their attempts to catch attention. But what if I told you that you can literally stand out more by not standing out? The way you present yourself speaks a lot about you and is paramount in creating your first impressions. So how exactly can you stand out with the simplest appearance? Stay tuned to find out more. What's up people, I'm Advait and welcome back. This channel is all about fitness and fashion for men without all the BS, so if you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Today I'm going to talk about a dressing style which is not only timeless but thrives in the modern society. Minimalism is a way of life where a person owns and uses only the things which are absolutely essential. The whole concept is founded on two important things: simplicity and functionality. For example, if a minimalist owned a watch, it wouldn't be a fancy, expensive Swiss watch with 10 different dials. Rather, it would be a simple analog watch with a time dial and 3 hands, and maybe a sub-dial for telling you the date. That's it. It's simple, it's clean, and gets the job done as a watch. This exact same logic can be applied to the rest of the fashion. When buying any kind of clothing, minimalists don't care about brands, logos, or bright flashy colors and designs. What they do instead is base their fashion off of 3 things: neutral colors, high quality fabrics, and having the perfect fit. So to put together your minimalist closet, let's start with your tops. This includes t-shirts, tanks, button-down shirts, polos, and jackets. As far as colors go, you can't go wrong with black, white, dark brown, and navy that are super versatile and effortlessly blend in with your outfit. Minimalists prefer to keep things simple and really master the basics. They put a lot of effort to ensure that the quality of the fabrics used in their clothing is top-notch. So always make sure your tops are made of high-quality cotton, wool, or denim. If you want an additional layer, try putting on a jacket with a contrasting color to your t-shirt or polo to add that extra edge to your outfit. To give you an example, if you're wearing a black t-shirt, you would want to put on a jacket which is light gray or khaki colored on top of it. And lastly, this is probably the most important one. So listen closely. You need to absolutely nail the fit. You need to ensure that your tops hug your body. I'm not talking about skinny fit, but more like slim fit. If you wear baggy, oversized tops, it's going to destroy your look. And again, make sure to stay away from designs and big flashy logos. Moving on to the bottoms, there's a lot of things you can do to mix and match and really play around with the style. You could buy some premium denim from Levi's like the 511, 512, or the 541, as long as you make sure that they fit perfectly. I recommend going for slim or tapered fit, but avoid buying relaxed fit or skinny jeans, as it might look conflicting to your otherwise well-fitted look. But you sure as hell need to stay away from any oversized, cargo, ripped, and faded pants, as they tend to fall under casual or street style and can ruin your minimalist look. Most minimalists would go for chinos, which contrast the color of the top they're wearing. To keep things simple, go with the colors I mentioned for the top, but make sure you add that contrast if you don't want to look like you're part of a secret cult. In the summers, you can rock well-fitted shorts with a plain t-shirt and it will catch attention. In terms of the fit for the shorts, don't go any higher than a 5-inch or 7-inch inseam. For fabrics, you can go with cotton, denim, or polyester. Next up is your shoes. If minimalism isn't the only dressing style you wear, I'd say you're good with owning just 2 pairs which also overlap with other dressing styles. In this case, all you need is a pair of white leather shoes and a pair of black or brown canvas or casual shoes. I'll keep mentioning this over and over, but it's really important. Make sure you don't have any big logos or brandings. I recommend buying shoes from my personal favorite brand, Aldo. I'm happy with all 3 of my pairs and they last really long provided you take good care of them. What I like about Aldo is that they go with simple neutral colors and almost never have any brandings on their shoes. It kind of sounds perfect for this dressing style. If you're in the market for canvas shoes, I highly recommend the Authentic series from Vans. They have a couple options in black, light gray, and brown which are more suited for the minimalist style, but they have a ton of other options if you're just buying them in general. And lastly, I'll talk a little bit about accessories like watches, jewelry, hats, and sunglasses. For watches, I kind of gave you guys an example earlier, so try to follow that. You can find sleek and gorgeous minimalist designs from brands like Swatch and Skagent. For sunglasses, stick with aviators and wayfarers for the most part, and go with colors like black or brown. You can go with brands like Tommy Hilfiger, Polaroid, or Fossil. And once again, make sure the frame is small and doesn't have any big company branding. For jewelry, you can wear a thin silver, gold, or black chain or a necklace along with a similar bracelet. I would avoid wearing big chains and thick leather bracelets as they won't blend in with your otherwise minimalist outfit. For hats, you'll be fine wearing a black, white, or khaki baseball cap without any designs. What makes minimalism special is that it stays away from the spotlight. It has that stealthy but intriguing look that most people find attractive. You master the basics of fashion, which are color, fabric, and fit, and stay away from any flashy designs. Your simplistic fashion leaves people wondering where you bought your hat, your shoes, or your jacket from, as you're not showing off any branding or logos like most people do. This will definitely be a conversation starter, especially with women. But the reason I love this style is because of its versatility thanks to the neutral colors. You can pretty much put up an outfit in a few minutes and still look the best version of yourself in any scenario. It's simple, clean, sophisticated, yet adds a hint of some playful mystery to a charming personality. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and let me know in the comments which dressing style you want me to cover next. I have a bunch of ideas lined up which I'll be dropping soon. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and follow me on Instagram if you want ideas for your next outfit. I hope you have a great week ahead. I'll see you guys soon.